Good morning, McGilly Vlog. How are you? Today we've got a busy day. It's Saturday today.
Now I got cars, now I got clothes, now I got money. Now I got crowds screaming my name, saying they love me. You get real close, say I'm not alone, you understand me. But late at night, when I close my eyes, the quiet scares me.
Okay, so now we're off to town to see the market, then the kids are going on a train.
When the magic's gone, and will you be